Imagine yourself in this Kia 2019 Sorento 3.3 LSX. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 10-way power adjustable driver's seat, 290 horsepower, 3.3-liter V6 DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, AC power outlet, 1 adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control and audio controls on steering wheel. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.